Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add cookies pop-up in WordPress website. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser on your PC and search for wordpress.com. Then sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now what you're going to do is go to the dashboard of your WordPress website, then go to plugins and select add new. Now we're going to search plugins and then type cookies consent. Now you're going to choose the one named cookies yes. You just need to install this plugin and then activate it. Once it's installed, you then want to go to plugins and access settings from this embed. As you can see, the banner status is currently active, so we're going to customize the banner. And to be honest, you don't really need to do a lot of customization when it comes to things like cookies banners. For geo-target, we're going to select worldwide. You can then change the layout and you can then change the color scheme. Once done, click on the publish button and save the changes. So that's basically how you can add cookies pop-up in WordPress website. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.